Hey, and welcome to Witchcraftsy. This month I decided I'd attempt to upload daily until the 25th, and I have a lot of exciting crafts pre-made and also currently in progress. This video is going to be going over more evolutions. Today I'm going to cover the psychic type Espeon. Here's a list of everything you'll need. I did also use black fabric for the tiny tip of the nose, but you can also use dark blue if you don't have it. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt and also my Pinterest now too. It's the second link in the description. All of my patterns are scaled to an A4 piece of paper to achieve the same sizing result as in the video. The first thing you need to do is take the front leg piece and body side, and with the tracing showing for both, sew the leg on where it aligns, leaving the curved side open. Repeat for the second front leg. Join each of the back legs onto each body side in the same way that you join the front legs. Take the middle body piece and align it to the body so that the point is at the back, and begin joining it to one body side. When you reach each curve hole for the legs, join it only to the remaining open curve of the leg holes. Continue your stitch to the end. Repeat the same process for the other body side and the remaining open edge of the middle body. Once done, sew the remaining body top and stop at the neck hole. Use the neck hole to flip it upright and stuff it. Place both tail pieces together, tracing side up, and sew them together, leaving the bottom straight edge open. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it. Pin this to the back of the body and use an invisible stitch to join it on. Take both back head side pieces and place them with the tracing showing and join them only along the most curved line. Align one of the face pieces to the back head piece and join it from the neck hole onto each of the end of the line of the back head. Join the other face piece the same way onto the other side of the back head pieces. Once done, press both face pieces together and sew them together along the remaining open edge, stopping at the neck hole. Flip the head upright and stuff it. Take each eyepiece and sew the glint into the top centre of each eye using matching thread and a running stitch. Then pin all of the face pieces on and join them using a backstitch. Take two opposite ear pieces and on the side with tracing, use the inner ear pattern piece to create a reference line. Use this reference line to sew each inner ear piece to the finished side of each ear. Once done, place one ear with the inner ear and one without together and sew them together, leaving the straight edge open. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it lightly. Repeat with the second ear. Take the small hair tuft pieces and place them together, tracing side up, and join them, leaving the straight edge open. Once done, flip it upright. Repeat with the remaining two pieces. Pin these to the head using a reference image to guide you and use an invisible stitch to join them on. Lastly, pin the head to the body so it sits where you want it to be when finished, and use an invisible stitch to join it. This doesn't have to fit perfectly, it's made so that it's a little bit bigger than the body. And that is how you make an Espeon plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!